Introduction to Python and Java syntax.
Python and Java are among the most popular programming languages. Understanding their key syntax differences can help you become more adaptable and efficient when switching between them. This overview will highlight the core distinctions in structure, variable handling, code blocks, and other essential aspects, making it easier for you to grasp both languages.
Code structure and formatting.
In Python, code layout is governed by whitespace. Indentation defines code blocks instead of symbols. Java, on the other hand, uses curly braces, open and close brackets, to mark the start and end of code blocks, and requires semicolons at the end of each statement. Python statements generally end with a new line, making the syntax simpler and more readable.
Variable declarations.
Java is statically typed, meaning you must declare a variable's type before using it, like int age equals 30. In Python, variables are dynamically typed, so you simply write age equals 30 without specifying the type. This can make Python quicker for prototyping, while Java's strict typing helps catch errors at compile time.
Defining functions and methods.
In Python, functions are defined with the def keyword. For example, def greet name. No return type is specified. Java requires the return type, method name, and parameter types, public string, greet string name. Java uses indentation for the function body, while Java uses curly braces.
Printing output.
Printing text to the screen is also different. In Python, you simply use print hello world. In Java, you write system.out.println hello world. Note that Java requires more syntax, including a semicolon and a reference to the output system, while Python keeps it concise.
Conclusion: choosing the right syntax.
When learning Python or Java, understanding their syntax differences can speed up your transition between languages. Python's concise, readable syntax is great for beginners and rapid development. Java's more explicit structure helps with large-scale applications and catching errors early. Knowing both gives you valuable flexibility in your coding journey.